good morning everyone. Today I will discuss in EVS. So student, today I will discuss chapter of beautiful cloth. Okay. So here some blanks, question answer, true balls. Here I will explain. So let's start. So student, our chapter number 22, chapter name is A Beautiful Cloth. So in beautiful cloth, first here you can see one activity. Okay, so here activity is given. So how to make dye? Okay, from natural material get some color. So let's start this video.
Let's make dye. Let us learn to make a natural dye.
Student, here see this picture. Here before dyeing, then after dyeing. So here white color, then after red color. So how to make white to red color? See this video.
And also the uses of a natural dye. Take an empty glass container or a plastic container.
First student, take one bowl or one big container of water.
Pour 200 ml of lukewarm water into the container. Now take a few petals of rose or bougainvillea and soak them.
Then you can take one or two glass of water in container. Then after take some rose petals. Okay, only petals, not full flower, but only petals. See this video.
Completely in the water. You may also use dry petals. Take a few thin cotton threads or a piece of white cotton cloth.
Some petals, rose petals, mix to water. Then take one thread, cotton thread,
Soak the threads or the piece of cloth along with the rose or bougainvillea petals. Keep the container aside for 2 to 3 days.
white thread you can put in water or petals, rose petals water in 2 to 3 days. After see,
After 2 or 3 days, squeeze the petals and extract the color completely.
after 2 to 3 days, your white thread, cotton thread convert into pink color or red color. See again here.
Leave it aside for 1 more day. After a day, remove the fibers or the piece of cloth from the water.
After student, leave all leave petals another plate and from water out your thread.
You will observe that the color of the cotton fibers or the piece of white cloth has changed to light pink. This indicates that the parts, such as the flower of a plant, can be used to dye
So student, after in rose water, your cotton thread convert into pink color.
White cotton fibers or cloth.
Now student, lesson activity. I will explain lesson activity here. First, read instructions carefully. Drag and drop the images in correct order.
Help this cotton ball become a hanky.
Student, here arrange the completely sequence wise. So first here pick out cotton flower here, first number, then second number, then third number here, means wrong option. So third number, then fourth number, farmer or weaver. So take anyone after saying wrong, that is the right, weaver, and last right option. Okay, have this cotton ball become a hanky.
Find the hidden words in the word grid.
Now student, find the hidden words in the word grid. So here some words are given thread. So I will find here thread. So here THREAD, thread. Okay. Then cloth. So cloth, CLOTH, cloth. Pot, POT, pot. So here P, but here T. So POT, pot. So here POT, pot. Then weave. So weave, W here, WEAVE, WEAVE. Then vegetable. So vegetable here, VEGETABLE, vegetable. Next broom. So broom, B, broom. Then cotton. So find out double T. So here double T here, but here cotton. Then next clay. So clay, CLAY, clay. Y here, here also Y. Then CLAY, clay. Then grass, grass here, GRASS, grass. Then next color. So color here, COLOUR, color. And dye. So dye, DYE. So DY, here O, DYE, dye. Okay, all are correct, student. So correct answer.
Find the hidden words in the word grid.
We can see in the word grid. Okay, broom, clay. Another word here given. Okay.
Look at this picture and spot the products made from natural material.
Then look at this picture and spot the products made from natural material. So natural material, can basket, correct. Pots, correct. Rock, correct. Leaf plate, correct. Cotton, not natural material. So wrong. Okay. But correct. Rangoli, correct. Leaf umbrella, correct. Wooden shoes, no. Okay. Broom made of bamboo, correct. And coconut bowl, correct. Okay. Then here true false. Next, true false. Thread is woven on a spinning wheels. Thread is woven on a spinning wheels. True. So wrong. False. Here true false. So here give correct. The root of the turmeric plant is used to make a deep blue color. False, student. Why? Because turmeric plant is used to make a deep yellow color. So false. The root of the turmeric plant is used to make a deep yellow color. Then next, onion skins are used to make golden browns. So true or false? Choose anyone. Wrong. True. Then next, pomegranate skin is used to make the color yellow. Pomegranate. Choose anyone. False. Okay. Correct answer. True. Then next, beetroot is used to make the color yellow. No. Beetroot is used to make the color pink. Walnut shells are used to make pinkish browns. Choose anyone. True or false? So I will choose true. Pinkish browns. Then here match the following. Here on left side or right side, clay, grass, seed, plant, tree, cotton shirt, pots and toys, broom, woolen sweater, table and chair. So first clay. So clay, pots and toys, grass, broom, seed, woolen sweater, plant, cotton shirt and tree, table chair. All are correct. Correct, student. You can write in your notebook. Match the following. Next, select right answer. Vegetable dyes are safe for the dash. Here options are given: eyes and environment. So correct answer, environment. Next, weaving is done on a spinning tire or wheel. So I will choose wheel. The traditional attire of an Indian woman is a dash. So sari or gown. So here traditional attire Indian woman sari. So sari correct answer. Kurta dhoti is the traditional Indian attire for dash. Woman or man. So here kurta dhoti. Correct answer man. Saris and dhotis usually range from 6 to 9 days. Yards or feet. So yards, I will choose yards. Then student, I will explain question answer. Here questions is given. Name some types of ethnic clothes found in India. So Rajasthan is famous for Bandhani work, Punjab for Fulkari, Kashmir for Pashmina. Okay, you can write it in your notebook. Then next, how is cloth made? Cotton is taken from a plant. First, taken from a plant. Yarn is produced by spinning this raw cotton or other material like wool or silk. Then cotton into yarn is produced by some other raw material or silk on a spinning wheel to produce long strands. Means then on spinning wheels produce long strands. The strands are then woven together by interchanging or interlacing them lengthwise and breadthwise. This is done on a frame or a machine known as a loom. Okay, on loom weavers make clothes. Then how are clothes dyed or colored? Clothes are tied into bunches and then dipped in color. First bunches, all clothes, and dipped into color. When the knots are removed, it forms beautiful patterns. Sometimes wax designs are drawn on clothes and then dipped in color. Since color does not stick to wax, the effect of the color on the cloth is very unique. However, many people in our country still use wooden blocks with design on them, dip them in color and then press them on the cloth. Means in our country use wooden blocks for design. Next, how do you make color from vegetables? So the root of the turmeric plant is used to make a deep yellow color. So deep yellow color turmeric plant. We use onion skins to make golden browns. So onion do golden browns. Walnut shells to make pinkish browns. Walnut shells to which color we get? So pinkish brown. Beetroot to make pink. Beetroot to make pink, and pomegranate skin for yellow. Okay. Then next, in India, do people wear different types of clothes for different occasions? So in India, we stitch different types of clothes for different occasions. For example, cotton clothes are used as daily wear, and silk, kurtas and saris are worn on traditional occasion. For example, marriage, Diwali, any festival. So student, here our chapter exercise completed. I will send this homework. So I hope do complete homework in your EVS notebook.